Welcome to Orella Ridge Single Attached House, kung saan nagmi-meet ang modern design and comfortable living. Meron tayong pocket garden, spacious 2 carport, perfect for a fresh and welcoming entrance. Pasok tayo. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo agad ang open layout ng bahay. This is the living area, kung saan itong living area na to is high ceiling. May pocket garden din ito sa side. Pwede kang maglagay ng small fountain para sa relaxing water sound sa loob ng bahay. Here's the dining area. Kasya ang 6-seater, sakto for everyday meal. Meron din tayong ground floor toilet and bath. Very convenient, lalo na for guest. Ito naman ang ating U-shaped kitchen. Very functional at ang ganda ng window niyan sa taas, guys. Maliwala. Sa likod, meron tayong service area for laundry and other household tasks. May extra room din for maid's room. Or storage, pwede na rin natin gawin. So, meron din ito, guys, na enclosed storage under stairs na hindi makalat tingnan, no? So, akyat tayo sa second floor. Ang ganda ng staircase, guys. Kita mo yung high ceiling at yung natural light coming from the windows. Yan o. So, nakaka-happy umakyat ng stairs. Sa second floor, ang unang bedroom pag-akyat ng stairs, ang master bedroom. Super spacious ng ating master bedroom. Ang ganda rin ng layout. At may sarili itong toilet and bath. Very functional at meron din itong balcony para sa coffee in the morning. Perfect ito for your private space to relax. Punta tayo sa bedroom number 1. Ang bedroom number 1 ideal for single bed setup. Meron din itong study area or work area, no? For bedroom number 2 naman, itong bedroom number 2 mas spacious. Kasya ang double bed. May sariling study area na rin siya. At syempre, meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. This is Orella Ridge Single Attached House. Meron itong floor area na 170 square meters and lot area of 110 square meters. Message me for viewing, guys, or visit our website at www.homeforthedreamers.com. Bye and God bless you!